given that we already have registered admin, ganito naman kung paano mag-add ng user. Open the interface,
Input unlock information.
asterisk number,
Input administration information.
your administration code na niregister kanina,
Press 1 for administrator setting. Press 2 for user setting.
we press number
3
2 for
system
user
settings.
settings.
Press 1 to add user. Press
To
2
add
delete
user, press 1.
Input unlock information.
Pwede na tayong mag-add ng PIN. Kung paano in-add yung admin, ganun din. So, pwede na tayong mag-add ngayon ng fingerprint as well.
Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. 0, 1, 1.
Yun ang default. 6 na pag-fingerprint. And then,
Input unlock information.
same din ang pag-add or same din ang procedure to add keycard. So, ganun din kaganina, pero instead na PIN and fingerprint, ito naman yung itatap natin.